known as the Hair Whisperer. I'm the president and CEO and founder of Healthy Hair Solutions, and I'm the creator of Whisper Whip products. Over the past 6 years, we've managed to make some amazing strides with Healthy Hair Solutions. We managed to partner with Macy's. We're in Fresh Time Market now. We are in hundreds of beauty supplies across the country, which is amazing. And we're also 5-star sellers on Amazon. But even better than that, I've been able to meet many of you in person, face to face. And I have to say that those face to face meetings are the best, and they are near and dear to my heart. It's safe to say I miss you guys. In brainstorming, we came up with the amazing idea to create a Healthy Hair Solutions VIP club. You are personally receiving this message from Healthy Hair Solutions and from me because you have been at the top of our VIP list. Once we looked at the numbers, it was undeniable. You are a VIP member. With that being said, you guys will receive online training directly from me through VIP classes. You guys will receive special discounts on your purchases, VIP discounts. I know that is exciting news. I'm so excited. Hey, I want you to make sure you look for an email from me with a special coupon code for our VIP members only. Shh, it's just for you guys.